Tata Mutual Fund is presenting 6 new sectoral index funds new fund offer covering different sectors. The sectors are automobile, infrastructure, realty, finance, manufacturing, and healthcare. All these are index funds following respective Nifty Index. As these are index funds, the expense ration will be low. This NFO is providing opportunity to the investors to invest on the sectoral index of choice. We are confident that this information will help investors about this new fund's objective and its future potential. Most of the information for this fund has been taken from the new fund offering document. Please watch this video to the end to understand the details of this unique NFO. In case you are interested in content like this, please subscribe to WealthAbhi. Tata Mutual Fund introduces Nifty Realty Index Fund. The Nifty Realty Index is designed to reflect the performance of real estate companies that are primarily engaged in the construction of residential and commercial properties. Nifty Realty consists of 10 stocks. Following are the key stocks based on weightage. The top 4 stocks have a combined weightage of 71%. The top stock is DLF with about 30% weightage. The top companies are provided on the screen. The constituents and its weightage are reviewed twice a year during the months of February and August every year. Nifty Realty Index saw a significant gain in the recent years after a long time. In fact, this index saw the highest growth among all the Nifty sectoral indices. HDFC recently launched Realty Index Fund and the NFO was launched during the month of March. After resuming continuous subscription, the fund provided 6% return. Subsequently, lump sum investment is stopped in HDFC Realty Fund. However, Realty Index is at 50% discount from its all-time high. The NFO is presently open for subscription till 22nd April. The minimum lump sum investment is 5,000 rupees with additional investment in multiples of 1,000 rupees. The minimum SIP investment is 1,000 rupees with minimum 6 installments. Both the index and the fund are considered as highest risk category as per riskometer. Investors should consider this point before investment. Please note that this is not an advice for investment. The objective of this video is to share more information and knowledge to potential investors. If you like this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. Also, press the bell icon to be notified of our future uploads.